What's up, Boogie Lights fans? So today I'm going to be showing you how to solder a 4-conductor power lead directly onto any of our LEDs by the foot without the use of clamp-ons. Now this is the quickest and easiest way to extend the power lead on any of your LEDs by the foot, whether it's an awning kit, golf cart kit, or simply any other application you can use your Boogie Lights for. First, let's take a look at this LED by the foot, taken off one of our 5-meter rolls. It's important to notice the RGB in negative here, as B is for the blue wire, G is for green, R is for red, and the negative is for your ground, or the black wire. Next, you'll want to remove this thin layer of silicone. You can do this best with an X-Acto knife, but careful not to damage the copper underneath. And when you're done, it should look something similar to this. Now, go ahead and strip your 4-conductor wire, separating out each color clearly. This way you'll be able to cut and strip your inner wires down evenly and easily. I prefer to strip the inner wires back to about 1 inch. Realign them up again and cut them down to their final length of about 1/4 of an inch, making sure that they are all even before soldering. Next, apply plenty of flux over your copper connectors to ensure a clean solder. The same will also be done to your 4 wires. Take your rosin core solder, and touching lightly with your soldering iron should tin the wires just enough for connection. Now, with the clean soldering iron, hold the tip directly against the copper oval just long enough for it to start turning white, then feed your solder slowly against it to form a small circle on top of each oval. Once done, check to make sure that any of the solders aren't touching, or else the connection will short out. Also, give your solder a wipe down to clean off any excess flux or particles. Finally, take your 4 tinned wires and solder them to their corresponding colors, with black going to the negative. Again, make sure that none of the solders are touching. Now, as you can see here, if you purchase our 5-meter roll of lights, the ends will already come prepared to have their corresponding wires soldered on, whereas if you cut the lights where shown, you'll have to repeat the process just shown in this video. Now, to test our lights, simply connect the black wire to the negative, and alternate our red, green, and blue wires with the positive. To finalize the soldering process, take a piece of heat shrink tubing and slide it over the new connection. Using a hot air gun, carefully shrink the tubing around the connection to seal out moisture or any other potential elements. And there you have it, your lights are ready to go after just a few short minutes. But also, be sure to double check your lights once everything's done and finalized, just to make sure the connection is still clean. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Light 'em up and ride safe.